In the test today, I'm going to be exposing both countertops to permanent marker to simulate staining, a razor knife to simulate a resident perhaps cutting something on top of the countertop, and I'll be using a MAP gas plumber's torch to simulate heat from a pot. This plumber's torch burns about twice the heat that a burner does on a typical stove, so it's a bit of an absurd test, but it'll give you an idea of how difficult it is to burn solid surface countertops. So first what I'll do is stain both countertops with a permanent marker. As you can see, I'm just drawing an X on the laminate countertop product, and then I'll draw an X on the solid surface countertop. I've actually chosen this part of the countertop to resand because we're actually at an intersection where 4 seams come together. It gives you another illustration of how well solid surface countertops seam together. And it's almost impossible to see the seams, and it's impossible to feel the seams. So another thing a resident might do is with a knife, cut their countertop. And as you can see and feel, this countertop has been cut completely through the wear layer down to the particle board. Solid surface countertops are pretty susceptible to cutting and scratching. In fact, the same feature that allows the countertop to be resanded over and over again is what allows it to get cut and scratched so easily. The trade-off is that it's difficult to burn, and then no matter what you do to the countertop, you can resand it, making it brand new again. Next, I'll take the plumber's torch and set fire to both. As you can see, the laminate countertop combusts pretty quickly. Almost the majority of the entire product is made of paper or wood of some sort. As you can see, the Renumax countertop just hazes and turns slightly white. So as part of my sanding demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and move the laminate countertop piece out of the way since this cannot be resanded. And then I'll take an orbital sander and I'm going to go through the spectrum of sandpapers to bring it back to its original finish. We're going to start off with a really rough grit. This is a pretty rigorous test that I'm putting the countertop under. Because we offer free training for maintenance staff on how to repair the product, typically they'll probably only go through the last couple, maybe 3 grits of sandpaper when they resand, because they won't have damage this bad. But this will give you a good illustration of the worst case possible scenario and how much time it will take to repair damage. So I'm going to start off with 40 grit, and the lower grits actually take longer. The further you go in the spectrum, the less time it takes between on each sand.